Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss different ways to earn money. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the most effective ways to make money. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online. You can offer your services as a writer, designer, programmer, or any other skill you possess. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms to find clients and start earning. Blogging. Blogging can be a profitable business if you do it the right way. You can write about your passions, interests or expertise and monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing or sponsored content. Online teaching. With the growth of online learning, teaching has become a popular way to make money. You can teach anything from coding to cooking and make money through online courses or tutoring sessions. E-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business is a great way to make money. You can sell anything from physical products to digital goods. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up your store and start selling. Investing. Investing is a great way to make your money work for you. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate or any other asset that can provide a return on investment. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money by promoting products or services on your blog, social media, or other online platforms. You earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique affiliate link. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great way to make money if you have good writing skills. You can find writing gigs on platforms like Contenta or ProBlogger, or pitch your ideas to publications or blogs. YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can create videos about anything from beauty to tech, and build a following that can bring in a substantial income. These are just a few of the many ways to make money. It's important to remember that earning money takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, anyone can succeed. We hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas for your own money-making journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.